I finally got one. I did the wacky rig with the senko. It's got a little belly to it, but yeah. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and let them go. Get big, make babies. Whew. I've been fishing since 9:30. I think it's after 3 now, but I only got one today. Lost a lot. Caught a stick. 2 of them actually. But other than that, the creek is where it's happening. The lake was terrible. I will probably come back here for sure. My GoPro actually died, so. But all I did was film a whole bunch of casting and reeling and casting and reeling. So other than that, it was fun. I'm glad I came out here. Well, that's number 2. Let's go ahead and get the release on this. I've lost so many fish today. Oh, yeah. There it goes. Tell your mom to come out. What's up? Third one, small. They're in this little pocket right as the water's running out. They're trying to catch bait fish. So, off you go, bud. Well, that makes 4. No, I'm starting to get on fire right here. Like I said, it's just in this little pocket. It starts to drop in. I'm just throwing my wacky rig out. I got a pumpkin seed colored senko. And, yeah. Oh. Yeah, I kissed my bass. Wrong way. Wrong way. That way. That way. There you go. It's funny when they do that. We got it back up. There we go. That's awesome. Yeah, that's how quick it's been. So I've been fishing all that back that way. They're all down there in this pocket. I just throw it against this wall, let the current take it. I'm actually seeing them come from by rocks to get it. That's awesome. Yep, I'm gonna do it again. Let this bad boy go. There you go, big guy. Not really big, but I mean, for a creek. Yeah. This is all I'm using. Well, I caught 5. All on the wacky rig. So, before I leave here, let's get one last view of this place. It's really nice. Yeah, 4 of them were caught back there, and then the one was right, yeah, there. So, yep, I'm done. I'm gonna head home. Whew. Tired. Later, guys. It's number 6. It's a little dink, but still. Baby bass need love too. Well, today's challenge was a success. I got 6 bass on the wacky rig, so now it's time to go home. I'm tired. I gotta put this together. I used my little camera till it died. Sadly, I think I only got 1 fish while using it, and then it didn't get good until it died. So I guess bring an extra battery, and then when it dies, that means the fish will start biting. So I got a long walk home. See you guys.